fireworks! Hey, yo, keep watching more! Light them up! My blue. Let's see. Man, I can't believe I had to stop watching One Punch Man over this fireworks show. It's something to know, boy. It's something to know, boy. Come on, where the fireworks at? Come on, where the fireworks at? Man, this sucks. Where the fireworks at? It don't show these fireworks, man. I'm about to leave. Oh, there we go. Thank you. Excuse-moi. Come on, there's more for the viewers. I gotta show all my subscribers and all my followers this. It's something that they need to witness. It's not for the fitness. It's a story you gotta twist. Let the world save you. Let the world save you. Let's save the world. Let the world save you. We got to save the world. It's important. Let's save the world. Let the world save you. And maybe it'll crave you or devour you to death. Oh, where these fireworks at, bruh? Hey, don't show me these fireworks. I'm about to hit that stop button. And y'all don't like it. I bet y'all gonna be angry at me for hitting that stop button. Cause it ain't nothing. And I ain't doing this for something. I sound so stupid right now, rhyming. Ugh. Life sucks. Just like Nas said. Ugh. Guess I gotta hit that stop button.